Hello，各位爸爸妈妈，大家好，我是 Vicky 老师。今天呢，我们要唱一首出太阳跟下雨的歌曲。那我们来先用念的。Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out. Sun is peeking out. Peek. Peeking here, peeking there. Sun is peeking out. Peek. 这首歌是这样子唱的。Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out. Peek. Sun is peeking out. Peek. Peeking here, peeking there. Sun is peeking out. Peek. 这首歌如果慢慢唱的话，我们可以把它变成一个小小孩的按摩。好，我们来先请那个微 baby 娃娃来做 model， 是这样子唱的。Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out. Peek. Sun is peeking out. Peek. Peeking here, peeking there. Sun is peeking out. Peek. 好，那就祝福大家一起玩得愉快喽，拜拜。